Hi everybody. So this is my third video on hypothesis testing with a normal distribution. So in this example, we're going to look at critical regions. We're told that it is believed that X is distributed normally with a mean of 10.5 and a variance of 4. We've been asked to find the critical region for the following test with a sample size of 25 at a 5% level of significance. We're told that the null hypothesis is that mu equals 10.5, and the alternative hypothesis is that the mean does not equal 10.5. So because we're told that the mean does not equal, this means it will be a two-tailed test, because it could not be equal in two ways, either less than that or more than that. So we can show this on our distribution curve. If we have our mean at 10.5, if mu is less than 10.5, we're looking at this region. And if mu is greater than 10.5, we'll be looking at the other tail, which is this region. And because we're told that it has a 5% level of significance, each region would have an area of half of that. So this will be 0.025, and this will be 0.025. And what we want to find is the value of the sample mean at this point and at this point. So now we need to state our model. We'll say that the sample mean, x bar, is distributed normally with a mean of 10.5 and a variance of the 4 divided by the sample size of 25. So now we need to use the inverse normal. So if we begin with this region, we know this will have an area of 0.025. We know sigma will be the square root of 4 over 25, and we know mu will be 10.5. So on our calculators, we'll go to menu, distribution. We want option 3 for inverse normal. We'll type in the area of 0.025. Sigma, the square root of 4 divided by 25. And our mean of 10.5. And this will give us that x bar, the sample mean, must be less than 9.716. Okay? So now we can use the same idea to work out the sample mean at this point. We'll say the area now. Now, because the area always starts from 0, we have to look at this area. So this will be 0.975. And sigma and mu remain the same. So if we enter this into our calculators, we've got the area of 0.975, and we get a critical region where the sample mean must be greater than 11.284. So what this critical region means is that if we get a sample mean less than this, then we would reject HO. Or if we get a sample mean greater than this one, we would also reject HO. But if the sample mean fell between these two, so within this region, then we would accept the null hypothesis. Okay?